Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode SEC filings and try to figure out if companies are really as good as they say they are. Today we're looking at Rocket Pharmaceuticals, Inc. And let me tell you, it seems like they've had a bit of a shake-up in their leadership. This is an 8K report, which basically means something important happened that the company has to tell its investors about right away, not like waiting for their regular quarterly report. It is like an emergency announcement for the stock market. So what is the big news? Well, Dr. Gotham Macker is stepping down from the company S board of directors. This happened on the 23rd of September and was official the next day. Now, the report is very clear that Dr. Macker's departure was not due to any disagreements about how the company is run, its strategies, or anything like that. It sounds like a mutual parting of ways. But it is not all about people leaving. They also brought in someone new. Dr. Peter Fong is joining the board. He is currently the president of RTW Investments LP, which sounds like a pretty important sounding title, so he likely brings some serious financial or investment expertise with him. His appointment also became effective on the 24th of September. Now, when a new board member comes on board, especially someone with a background like Dr. Fong S, there is usually some sort of compensation package. In this case, Dr. Fong received some stock options. He was granted 30,000 restricted stock units, which are essentially promises to get company stock in the future, with the first batch vesting over 3 years. On top of that, he got another 23,333 restricted stock units that will fully vest in 1 year. This is pretty standard practice to ensure new directors are financially aligned with the company's success. If the company does well, their stock value goes up, and so do the value of these units. It is important to note that these stock units are tied to Dr. Fong remaining on the board. This is a common way to incentivize long-term commitment and good decision making. If he leaves before the vesting period is up, he forfeits the unvested portion. The filing also helps us identify the different classes of stock a company has. In Rocket Pharmaceuticals' case, they have common stock. Their common stock is traded on the Nasdaq Global Market under the ticker symbol RCT. This is the stock most investors would be familiar with. Now, this report is pretty light on the financial side, focusing mainly on these board changes. It is not a quarterly earnings report, so we don't have deep dives into revenue or profit numbers. However, the change in board composition is significant. Bringing in someone with investment experience, especially when the company is likely navigating growth or product development, can signal a strategic shift or a need for stronger financial oversight. This report is signed by Martin Wilson, who holds the impressive titles of General Counsel and Chief Corporate Officer. SVP. This means he is a pretty high-level executive, and his signature on this report signifies that Rocket Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is officially acknowledging these board changes. Looking at Rocket Pharmaceuticals, Inc., generally they're in the biopharmaceutical space focused on developing innovative therapies. This is a high-risk, high-reward industry. Success often hinges on groundbreaking research, successful clinical trials, and navigating complex regulatory pathways. Board changes, especially bringing in individuals with strong financial or investment backgrounds like Dr. Fong, can be a positive sign if the company is seeking to optimize its financial strategy, attract further investment, or prepare for significant milestones like drug approvals or commercialization. It suggests a proactive approach to governance and strategic planning. The departure of Dr. Macker, while amicable, does leave a gap. The strength of the board in such a scientific and rapidly evolving field often depends on a diverse range of expertise, including scientific, clinical, financial, and operational. The addition of Dr. Fong might be seen as an attempt to bolster the financial and strategic advisory aspects of the board. For investors, these are the kinds of updates that warrant attention. While there are no specific financial numbers to pick apart in this particular filing, understanding who is guiding the company from the board level can be a crucial indicator of future direction and potential success. It is essentially about the team in charge of making the big decisions. In conclusion, Rocket Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is making some changes at the top of its board. Dr. Maker is out and Dr. Fong is in, bringing a strong investment background. This could signal a focus on financial strategy or investor relations moving forward. While there is no financial data to analyze here, the quality of a company's board is a key factor in its long-term prospects. What is your take on these board changes at Rocket Pharmaceuticals Incorporated? Do you think bringing in someone with an investment background is a smart move for a biopharma company? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into the financial world. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.